Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Kaptr.me. So Kaptr is a tool that lets you take screenshots, but the screenshots that you take with this tool, they are not going to be static. You can take live screenshots with Kaptr. And how it works is that first you take the screenshot and then you can store that screenshot on your dashboard on Kaptr. And the best part about this tool is that the particular web page that you have taken the screenshot of, if there are any changes on that web page, you can also see those changes on your live screenshots on your dashboard. And in terms of storage, the number of live screenshots you can take is not limited to a few. You can take as many screenshots as you want and then you can store all of your screenshots in one dashboard and also see if there are any changes on those screenshots. And Kaptr is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $150, but at Appsumo you're getting this lifetime deal at only $39. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are two tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39 where you get the Chrome extension. You have public or private dashboards. So if you make your dashboard public, you can also share it with other people so they can also see all of your live screenshots. And there are 3 dashboards that you can create. So on each dashboard, you can organize your screenshots based on their categories or purposes. On per dashboard or on one single dashboard, you can store 10 live screenshots. But if you want to increase this limit, you have to opt for the Tier 2 that cost $159 where you get Chrome extension, public or private dashboards. But the best part about this tier is that you can create unlimited dashboards and you can also capture unlimited live screenshots on per dashboard. So if you want to buy Kaptr.me on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. So after you log into Kaptr, the first thing you have to do is install the Chrome extension. So just click on this. I have already opened the page. So here is the extension that you need to install. Let's click on Add to Chrome. Okay, so the extension has been installed and now we have to pin it. So click on this and then click on this pin icon. And as you can see, it is now on this extension bar. So now let's close this tab and click on check if extension is installed. Okay, so now we are in the dashboard of Kaptr and on the left side you can see all of your dashboards. So I already have one dashboard and I can name it. So I have to provide the name on here. So for example, I want to name it dashboard number 1 and now I can capture snapshots of any web page and then save it on here in order to see it live. So let me show you how it works. So currently I am on Wikipedia and let's choose this English language. And for example, I want to take a snapshot or a screenshot of this part and then I want to save it on the dashboard. So all I have to do for that is go to the extension bar, click on this capture screenshot, click on take a snapshot. And now I have to select exactly the part that I want to use as the screenshot. So for example, I want to capture this part. And now I have to select exactly on which dashboard I want to save it to. So for example, I want to save it to this number 1 dashboard. Click on save this snapshot. So as you can see, the screenshot has appeared on this dashboard 1. So now I can reposition it wherever I want. And I can also make it smaller. So for example, I want to store a lot of screenshots, live screenshots on here. So for that, I have the resizing option. So I can just make it smaller in order to get more space for other screenshots. And other than resizing and repositioning, I also have some other options. So if I just select it, as you can see, this is now selected. Now I can refresh it, which means, for example, on this particular section, the section that I have taken the screenshot. So if there is any change on this section, if I just click on this refresh, all of those changes are going to appear on this screenshot. And I can also click on this particular option, that is visit source. So if I click on this, it is going to take me exactly to the page that I have taken the screenshot of. Other than that, there are also some other options. So I can move it to some other dashboard if I have. Let's create another dashboard from here. And let's change the name. Okay, so we have created another dashboard. Now let's go back to the first one and click on the screenshot. So I can move it to another dashboard if I want, the second one. I can also delete it. And there is also a very good option. I can set the snapshot delay from here. And another great feature on here is that I can also add annotation to our screenshots. For that, I just have to click on this T and then click on a particular spot. So now I can add any annotations I want. So as you can see, the text is now adding, and from the right side, I can also change the font size of this text as well as the font weight. And the best part is I can also share this live screenshot with anyone. For that, I have to make this particular board public. So if I click on this public and then copy the link, now let's open this link from another browser. So as you can see, after opening the link from another browser, this is the dashboard that a particular person is going to get. He can also see the annotation as well as the live screenshot. So this was a very basic screenshot or a static screenshot, but let me show you a live and actual live screenshot. So for that, I'm going to open a YouTube video. So as you can see, I have opened a video, and for example, I want to track the views count of this particular video. So for that, I want to take the snapshot and then add it to my dashboard and then see it live, see the views change in live. So for that, I will click on this extension and then click on take a snapshot. Now I'm just going to select this part, and for this screenshot I'm going to add it to the second dashboard. Click on save this snapshot. So as you can see, the live screenshot is now available on the second dashboard. So obviously I can reposition it, resize it if I want. I can change the delay, refresh it. So let's refresh it and see if the views change. Okay, so for some reason the live screenshot of YouTube views was not working. So let me give you another example of the live screenshot. So here is a landing page or a website that I have visited. And for example, I want to take the screenshot of this part of this title and the description. So let's click on this extension, click on this. Now let's select this area. And then I will save it to the second dashboard. Okay, so the live screenshot is now here. And for example, now there are some changes on this particular landing page or this particular content. So if I go back to the website, okay, so I have changed the text on this particular landing page. As you can see, the text has changed. Let's see if Kaptr can capture it. So now let's go back to the dashboard, and now I want to refresh it. So I can also refresh all, which means all of the screenshots on this particular dashboard are going to be refreshed in order to see if there are any changes on the screenshots, or I can also just refresh this one. So click on refresh. So as you can see, now the elements or the content on this screenshot has changed exactly according to this web page. So this is exactly how the live screenshots of Kaptr are going to work. Kaptr also has their roadmap, so let me show you that. So as you can see, here is the roadmap. So we have two planned features, and there is a really good feature on here, that is the auto refresh, which means all of your screenshots are going to be auto refreshed. You do not have to click on that refresh or refresh all button in order to see if there are any changes on those screenshots. They are going to be automatically refreshed. So this is currently on their planned feature on roadmap. Then there is also another one, and there are also 3 in progress features. And you can also see the recently added features. Overall, I think Kaptr.me is an excellent tool that lets you collect live screenshots, and you can collect a lot of screenshots at once, and then you can organize all of them on your dashboard. You can also create multiple dashboards, and on each dashboard you can keep a lot of screenshots together in order to monitor all of those pages. So if you want to buy Kaptr.me on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 2 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.